Sarah was in a car accident and suffered from a severe traumatic brain injury caused by the airbag in the car. She was taken to trauma ICU and spent 2 weeks there. She was on a ventilator. They ended up tracheing her, and she also had a feeding tube because she was unable to eat. She spent 3 months in rehab doing occupational, physical, and speech therapies, learning to walk and talk, and eventually they got the trach out and she was able to breathe on her own.
I was seeing too many people who were in car crashes who you would have thought would have done well in the crash and wound up doing very badly. They were paralyzed, they were burned, they were injured. And the more I looked into it, the more it became clear to me that cars just weren't being made the way they should have been made to be crash-worthy.
Dennis was, I actually had a friend who had a brother who was a lawyer, and she said, let me put some feelers out, have him put some feelers out. He's a district attorney in North Jersey, and he put some feelers out and came back to her and said that this would be your best, this is the guy to go with. He touched base with us when he needed to. He let us know every step of the way exactly what to expect, what was going to happen, when it was going to happen, how it was going to happen, and so that we were able to anticipate what was going on. Gave us a bit of a timeline on how the whole process, knowing nothing, how the whole process was going to work. Sometimes, because there was a bit of a, he's about 2 hours from us, if it wasn't convenient, he would say he would come to us, rather than us having to drive up there to his office. He came to the house a couple of times. With the help of Dennis and his team, Sarah's definitely taken care of for the rest of her life. The financial settlement that he was able to get for her, and the way that it has been structured, that she shouldn't have any financial worries at all. She'll receive a payment for every month now for the rest of her life that will take care of all of her needs.
Dennis has definitely helped me in all aspects of my life.
Thank you, Dennis. You did a great job, all of you, everybody. You really helped us out.